We live in a world full of joints. Joints connect and protect. All our buildings are full of joints. Every time we switch from one building block to another, there's a joint. At the joints is where the buildings are most vulnerable to water ingress. This is where sealants come into play. They connect different building blocks and materials. So what are the qualities a sealant needs to bring to enable reliable and durable tight joints? Needs long-lasting adhesion to the substrate. Needs to be permanently elastic and not get hard over time. Needs to be elastic and soft also when it's cold. Needs to be stable enough to stand high temperatures. Needs a cohesive strength to not tear when elongated. Needs a tear resistance so in case of damage the crack does not propagate. Needs to resist weathering. Needs to resist water even when permanently immersed. Needs to resist chemicals and mechanical impact. Needs to be easy to apply and not harmful to the applicator. And needs to have a reasonable price. There is no sealant technology that masters all these requirements with bravura. As with everything, the different technologies also have their strengths and weaknesses. This is the reason why Sika offers several sealants for building envelope waterproofing. Sealants are classified according to their movement capability and module. The classification is given by the standards. There are 4 major sealant technologies: silicone, polyurethane, modified silicones or silane-terminated polymers (STP), and modified acrylate dispersions. The technology is generally chosen in dependence of the substrate and exposure. Silane-terminated polymers sealants are often used for connection joints as they have a wide adhesion profile, for example sealing between the brick wall and the PVC frame. Modified acrylate dispersions, on the other hand, are soft and plastic elastic. They are compatible and therefore ideal to seal between brittle renders on isolation plates and to be overpainted. Silicone sealants have a high movement capability, are completely UV resistant and can stand higher temperatures for longer times. Therefore, all the glass towers in the world are bonded and sealed with silicones. Finally, we have polyurethane sealants which adhere well to porous substrates, have a high movement capability and show superior hydrolysis resistance. They are generally used to seal concrete and masonry facades and are the first choice in challenging civil engineering applications. As you can see, the type of sealant that is suitable for you depends highly on the area of application. Sika, the preferred supplier of professional sealant applicators worldwide.